Everybody, today we just randomly ran into this restaurant, and at this time it's brunch hour basically, so we're gonna check it out. It's called Eggaholic, but it's Indian street food. So let's see, what do they have. It seems like they have a lot of stuff related to just like chaat and thalis and all of that stuff. So let's just see. Let's see. All right, so right now we're just at this place, Indian place, and seems pretty different. The menu is pretty versatile. So I ordered an egg chicken roll, actually egg chicken wrap, and my son ordered chicken masala wrap. I ordered Desi chai. And he ordered mango lassi for that. Plus, you know, they have so it's really good street food menu that I see, and let's see how the quality is. Honestly, the only disappointment is the music that is playing. It's not only quite loud, but it's you know, it's just like it seems like that it's just eat, drink, think movies. That's all. I mean, that filmy music is just not. And then on top of that, I heard two songs back to back that are copies of some really good original songs. One of them is Basuri, and the other one was an old Pakistani song. And it's not about that, you know, that only they're doing it, but it's just like the type of music that this is. It's not the occasion, you know. You want to come here, sit down, relax, and then, you know, if there's some relaxing music is playing in the back, that's good. But the customer service is good, so, you know, there you go. And with so many people enjoying, I don't want to be the one to just get up and tell them that, look, please tone it down or play some decent music. You know, I'm not here to dance and rock. I'm here to eat. Okay, so this is the chicken egg roll. Let's see, it looks good. And then the Desi chai, and this is the chicken wrap. I have to admit, this is really good, very good. This chicken egg roll, it's really tasteful. And even the tea has a distinct taste, which is really good. Okay, how's yours?
It's good. There's a lot of flavors in one.
Yeah. Okay, the music has improved, and they've reduced the volume, but it's good. So overall, it's a really good place. It seems to be a very good place, and the variety is pretty good. I can only eat so much, so probably will come back just for the street food flavor that they have, and it looks pretty good. Okay, just came out of that restaurant that I showed you. It's pretty good, a little spicy for me, but not bad at all. I could take it, and it was a little bit too salty as well. But the overall taste for most people is, it seems to be pretty good. It seems to have a good balance of spices as well as taste without making it too hot, and that's what I liked. Try it out. It's in Chantilly. The name of the place is Eggaholic, Indian street food. Take care.